Benvenuti nella mia cucina! Oggi ci appresteremo a preparare un piatto davvero delizioso. Welcome everybody to our kitchen here at the Benny Impact. Today we're going to cook a delicious meal with fantastic macronutrients and packed with good nutrients as well. The recipe is called egg roll bowl. It's been inspired by another YouTuber and producer. What's the name?
Bobby Parish.
Bobby Parish.
FlavCity.
FlavCity. You guys go and check this guy out. He's fantastic and knowledgeable. And let's go and see our list of ingredients. Okay, so what we have here, approximately 1 pound or 450 grams of, you can use ground beef. This for me is venison mixed with pork. I had a very successful hunting season. I got 2 deers this year, bow hunting. Great, fantastic. Then next, we're gonna have all these products you can find at Aldi. So they're very cheap, very inexpensive, and you can just prepare this in advance and make a delicious meal or dinner or lunch for everybody, for your family, or for your friends to share with somebody you love. So we have rice cauliflower. This is a frozen variety, maple syrup. Then we're gonna have some classic coleslaw. And we're gonna have about 2 cups or 300 grams of broccoli florets. And then we have this kind of rice here. We're not gonna cook it in the bag. We're just gonna put it on a pan and use it. We have 1 onion, some garlic, and then for condiments, we will have ginger, sesame seeds, black pepper. We're gonna go and use 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and then we'll have avocado oil, and of course some salt, 2 carrots, and then for the final step, we're just gonna fry 1 egg and put it on our bowl. All right. So first thing, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop these ingredients. I'm gonna chop the carrots and I'm gonna chop the broccoli, and then we'll take it from there. In the meantime that we chop the vegetables, we are going to take our avocado oil and we're just gonna place the meat here. We're just gonna break it down in pieces and we will let it cook for a while. We just want this meat to be nice, tender and juicy, and in the meantime we'll just go and chop our vegetables. Okay, so we cooked our meat. We don't want it to be too dry, just enough so it's cooked. So what we're gonna do for now, since I'm still cutting some veggies, we're just gonna set the meat aside here. We're going to get back cutting vegetables. Oh man, I'm blind. Okay, let's put this baby in here as well. And now we are ready to put our vegetables here. We're gonna add our coleslaw for later. We're gonna add our spices, our pepper. We're gonna wait for the ginger and the garlic and our maple syrup later. We're gonna add our rice cauliflower in here and we're going to mix it together. These will all lose water and they will shrink. But as you can see, it's a lot of food. This is gonna be really good. It's gonna keep you full for a longer time and it's gonna be nutritious. After I put the vegetables here, we will let it cook for about 10 minutes and we can cover it just until all the veggies will be cooked and all the water will be absorbed here in the pan. So I chopped the garlic and I'm just gonna put it in here and let it cook for a little bit longer. So let's take our coleslaw here and we will add, I think, about half. This will add more volume to our meal. For our next step, we're going to put a little bit of avocado oil in a different pan and we're gonna put in our quinoa and brown rice in here. We don't want to cook it in the pouch. We're going to add a little bit water and we will cook it on medium for a couple of minutes. And next we're going to add our ginger. The original recipe from our reference, our source, mentioned that they used a maple sugar. However, I had maple syrup and I think is the closest, most natural thing that is related to maple sugar. So we're just gonna put about 1.5 tablespoons. And then for our final step here, we're just gonna add our soy sauce. We're gonna add our rice for our final step and we're going to add our beef. By the way, you can choose any other variety of meat that you prefer. You can also add chicken. Final part, we're gonna make a fried egg. We're gonna need it to be a little bit runny because I'm going to show you later once we prepare our dish. We're gonna put some sesame seeds on the top as a final step. Okay, so this will be our final result. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna break the egg. It's gonna be a little bit runny. So let's taste this and see the fruit of our labor, to see how it came out. So from here, very original. Wow. So much flavor. The ginger, the soy sauce, the maple syrup. You guys can get crazy with this and actually play with the flavors of the spices and add some more, put less. Would just take you about 15-20 minutes to prepare everything. Just make sure that all the veggies, the meat, everything is cooked properly. So I was saying these are 4 portions, but as you can see, these are far more than 4 portions and the macros are incredible. These are 4 portions, including the egg. So they're gonna be 37 grams protein, 37 grams of carbohydrates, and 23 grams of fat, with a total of 500 calories. This makes it a very filling and nutritious dish, rich of protein, rich of minerals, and lots of veggies and very good quality protein overall. And this is fantastic. I think at least you should try it once, and if you like it, why not make it 2 or 3 times per week if you really like it. Make sure to make a couple of extra balls for the people you love and just enjoy the company. By the way, a meal shared in good company, it tastes much better. Remember that. This will be it for our episode for today, and I will see you next time.